Okay class, today we're going to be learning about how to write linear equations in point-slope form. Yes, Raven?
Can I use the bathroom?
Alright then, hurry back because we're gonna start learning.
I'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
Okay, now that I've gone through some examples, I will be.
Ugh, not again.
Come on guys, let's head outside. Follow me and stay with me. Make a left, down the stairs, and head straight out the back exit doors.
What is going on?
I have no idea. Where is Raven?
I think he is still in the bathroom.
Raven, what took you so long?
Things got complicated, and I couldn't find the way out. The emergency exit door was down the hall. Be careful next time. Ugh. Fine.
All administrators, it appears to be that it was a false alarm. Send everyone back into the building.
Copy. All clear. You may all head back in.
Good job everyone. You all did a great job. But I'm a bit suspicious on who pulled the fire alarm. Hold on.
Raven Fernandez, report to my office immediately.
What is going on? You all look really angry.
Do you know why we called you here? Oh wait, never mind, our cameras have sound now.
Don't think we don't know that you are the one who pulled the fire alarm.
Damn it. They've found out.
The fire alarm must only be pulled when there's a real fire in the school.
And that could get you arrested for that.
We are the only ones that can set off the alarm for the monthly practice drills.
That's it. You are now suspended for 5 days. We will be calling your parents. Go home now.
Raven, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know that prank could get you arrested for that.
You are very lucky again that didn't happen.
It was just a joke.
No. Those kind of jokes are not funny. It's a big safety issue.
All right, I'm sorry.
We bet you are, but it's too late for that.
That's it. You're grounded until we get your report card. Go to your room now.